shopping was that I looked
Bro, no, you know want a man beef with you for 20 years of your life because you, what the fuck, why you not ask a grown ass man to take him out for shopping? Why asking a grown ass man to go shopping with you? Like, bro, Dubs, what you appreciate? Bad man, what you appreciate? What you mean you ask man to take you out for shopping? No, 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 Killy, do not depend that. Me can understand why I'm hating though. Me personally, I understand why it's different. Like, if I'm an approach, like, I'm gonna feel uncomfortable. I'm gonna feel alright. Big man ask me if you can carry me out for buying things, bro. That not feel right. I feel wrong, bro. I feel wrong. Only would I accept that if like is a close family member. But for random ass stranger, I don't know from Adams. Me I feel so much, but so fuck man business you depend. I don't feel uncomfortable. You fuck. I mean even come from New York, I'm straight Jamaican, bro. Best believe. Sealer, phone all drop. And the next thing, when I want an enemy or the level of dedication or pettiness, a 50 cent off. I don't want such an enemy. Matter of fact, I have no enemies. None. A peace myself. When me start fuckery because I like express myself and give me one opinion. But outside of that, I don't want to smoke. There's all peace here, fam.